Before coronavirus hit New Zealand, I took a trip down to Queenstown because I had an invite from my mate Trent, who is the boss over at ZipTrek Ecotours, to come and experience and film the Kia 6-line zipline tour at his place. I couldn't say no because I'd heard so much about it. So yes, here I am on a beautiful day to take the gondola up the hill, past the bungee station and up to the top. Oh, and watch out for me on the last zipline at the end. It's the steepest zipline in the world, totally gravity powered, descending 30 stories and up to 70 kilometers an hour. It's amazing, and the instructors are genuinely so knowledgeable and friendly and can inspire confidence for all levels and abilities. If you're in Queenstown, you really can't miss out. So yes, join me with my Insta360 One X camera and get an idea of what this could be like if you did this too.
I believe.